Welcome to my tutorial on how to add modules in Android Studio. So what are modules are like jar files or any extra library you want to add in your Android applications. And if you have accidentally added some jar files and now you want to remove them, then how you do it. So first you have to just click on File, New, and then New Module. This will open a screen where you have lots of modules, but what we have to do is import a jar file or jar package. Then you have to just click on import jar files and click here and select a jar file from your computer. So I have it on my desktop. Here it is. Finish. Now I have added a JTDS file through which I can connect to SQL Server. You can watch my video on how to connect to SQL Server from your Android applications without any API. So now after it is built, there will be a folder added here like this JTDS 1.2.7 I have added. Now let's add another module. So file, new, and click on this module. Now import jar file package. I am adding another PDF jar file. So here are two jar files I have added, or two modules we can say. So done. Now if I want to remove a PDF test jar, then I have to just click right click on it and go to load unload modules and just click on unload. Now from here you can load it again, or you can just unload this one. So all these modules you can load and unload. So I have to unload like PDF test, then click OK. So it will be removed from your app. Thanks for watching.